Hey beauties, I am back today with a brand new video. I know it has been forever. If you don't know who I am, my name is amiyabrielle and I am an artist with a purpose. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this everyday amazing glam that I like to wear. It's so easy to follow. I hope you guys like it. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta! So we are going to jump right in. I'm just showing you guys my natural skin. Just so you guys can kind of see, like, I do have hyperpigmentation, and I always like to start off with hydrating my skin and priming my skin. That is the most important and crucial step into having a flawless base. You need to have a good skin prep. So I'm going to color correct where I have hyperpigmentation using this e.l.f. concealer. It's probably one of my favorite concealer. Definitely affordable, like $6, and it will definitely cover up everything. So you guys go out and grab it. e.l.f. sponsor me. And I'm using these brushes that I actually purchased from Amazon, and this is my first time using them in this video, and I would just like to say that they are so bomb. I'm gonna let you guys kind of see it for yourself, so I don't even have to talk about it. This is my favorite foundation, this NARS Long Radiant Foundation. I'm so upset that I just got hip to it, and I know right now it kind of looks like a lot lighter on my skin, but the good thing about this foundation, as you can even see, it kind of looks pretty similar, just a slight bit lighter, but it definitely does oxidize to my skin. And here's my NARS concealer, the NARS Creamy Radiant. I have been using this, guys, for years, but what I'm doing right now is I'm just highlighting the higher points of my face, highlighting where I want things to be brighter. So you're going to see me go underneath my eyes. I'm going to highlight my nose. I'm going to highlight a little bit of my forehead, up top of my lip and my chin. Now I'm using this Makeup Revolution's contour stick, also very affordable, and it is a staple in my makeup bag and in my kit. And I'm going to blend that out with another one of these Amazon brushes. So good. I want to tell you guys to always blend up. You never want to blend down because it's going to make your face appear to be droopy, and with makeup, especially contouring and highlighting, you always want to kind of like lift your face. I didn't mention the name of these brushes, but I will definitely link them down below so you guys can purchase them and check them out. When I'm contouring my nose, I like to bring up the contour to like the bridge of my nose all the way to like where my eyelids lay. You see how that blends in just so perfectly? Now right now it may look like a little bit of a mess, but trust the process, guys. Like I said, blend up. If you blend down, your face is going to be looking so droopy. So blend up and do not bring your contour all the way to where your lips is at, but I like to say like probably in the middle of where your eye is. As you can see here, you guys probably are familiar with the new trend of, like, you know, blush, like lots of blush. I don't know, I've always been a blush girl, but I've just started using this trick, and I'll just take a lipstick. I'm using the SMASHBOX lipstick, and I'm going to actually use this as a blush. You can see I kind of applied a little bit too much, but I'm blending it out, and it looks a little bit funny now, but I'm telling you guys, trust the process. I love to add blush because it really adds a little bit more depth and dimension to the face, and it also warms it up. And then it's just a good addition. Like, I think blush really looks so good, and it's just super underrated. So if you have a problem, if you add too much, take a little bit off and add some more concealer, whatever. And if this looks a little bit scary to you, you don't have to add as much as me. You can definitely add a lot less. And now I'm going to be using another brush. I'm going to link all the brushes down below for you guys. I think I got a kit for like 15 brushes for like $15, so that's definitely a deal. These are quality brushes, and I'm using it just to kind of blend out everywhere where I applied that concealer. If you guys didn't take note, I kind of let that concealer sit for a little bit just so I can have a more fuller coverage. So if you find that, oh my god, my concealer is not, you know, it's not giving me that highlighter look, try to let it sit under your eyes for about a good 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Now I'm just going in with the brush that I use to apply my foundation to just blend everything out. The key to flawless makeup, guys, is blending, blending, blending. You can never really blend too much. Like, do you see how from this flawless, and I'm gonna fix that. You see what I'm saying? So it's really just about blending. Don't be afraid to try new products. Don't be afraid to blend. Okay. Now I'm using my favorite powder. This is the Huda Beauty. It's a Huda Beauty baking powder, and I believe the shade is. We're gonna link it down below, but it's a shade, and it just gives me the nicest, brightest highlight without drying my eyes out or doing too much. And I'm applying this powder to everywhere that I've applied this concealer. You guys have to set wherever you apply a cream or a liquid. You have to set. Always set. That's how you're gonna have a long-lasting foundation base, a long-lasting concealer base, a long-lasting cream contour base. You have to always set. And I also kind of like to go in a little bit under my contour, just to kind of get me a little bit chiseled look. Now I don't overdo it. I literally just add a little bit, as you guys can see. Oh my god, my favorite palette, the True Complexion palette, Black Radiance. Y'all, pick this up. It's so good, and I feel like I've had this for such a long time, but it just gets the job done. And I use those two shades to kind of like bronze and set where I contoured. I really hope and pray that I'm not going too fast, but I'm just trying to follow, you know, the speed of this video without keeping it too long. But even now, you can kind of already see how my face is kind of coming together. Even though I do have powder on, you can see where it's going. I even like to add a little bit of bronzer to the end of my cheekbones. That way I don't have the fear of my, you know, my face looking too light, or, you know, just anything. NARS blush, Orgasm X, similar to the regular Orgasm, just a little bit pinker, and I'm applying it over where I had that red at, just to kind of blend and merge everything together beautifully. Now I'm going to be taking a brand new brush, and I'm going to be dusting off all of the setting powder. I love to set, but I also love to take the powder off. This is another crucial step, guys. I would not recommend baking your face too long, really no more than like 5 to anywhere to like 6 minutes, because after a while the powders are going to set so in that it's going to look so cakey and dry, and it'll ruin your makeup. So don't keep it on too long. But that's just what works for me, and hopefully it works for you guys. So don't keep it on. That's the powder off. And now I'm going to be using this NYX eyebrow pencil. And what I'm doing is I'm honestly just following the natural shape of my brows. In the beginning of my brows, I'm going in with a lighter hand because I don't want to give off a fake dramatic look. That is the best tip that I can give to you guys. Follow your natural brows and go light-handed in the beginning of your brows. You don't want it to look too boxy or too squarey, or just, you know, you want it to look natural. And now I'm taking my favorite concealer again, and I'm using this brush, and I was just so shocked at how smooth it went on. And I'm just kind of carving out the shape. I'm carving out the outline of my bottom eyebrow. Now sometimes I like to go in at the top, but I really do not prefer to carve out the top of my eyebrow. I like to just keep it simple and do the bottom and just make sure that I blend it out. And it gives this nice, perfected, natural, beautiful brow. Voila. I'm just kind of showing you guys the color difference between my arm and my face, how it still looks similar. And now what I'm going back to do is I'm just going back and I'm trying to get all the powder off and make sure everything is nice and blended. And now I'm just setting my face, refreshing my face, bringing some glowiness, some dewiness, because you never want to look, you know, too powdery. And now, just for a little bit more razzle dazzle, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty highlighter, and I'm just adding a little bit, because really, less is so much more, you guys. Less is so much more. Just adding this little bit of highlighter, it really just adds enough pop to my face. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? But you don't see that? That's exactly what you don't want to do. So when you're doing that light-handed, honorable mention, Kim K did what she had to do with this whole collection, honestly, but specifically these lip liners and these lipsticks. This lip combo I'm about to show you guys is like the recipe for the perfect brown girl everyday lip. Like, it just looks so good. I'm gonna link down the shades as well, but I know the lipstick was in shade 3 for sure. Like, look how pretty that looks. And now I'm going back in with that liner. And this was like my first time putting brown eyeliner on. I'm usually like a black eyeliner girl, or I'll skip out on it depending on how I'm feeling that day. But I'm just like, why are we sleeping on brown eyeliner? Maybe it was just me, because it just looks so good on brown skin. It looks so good on my skin. And then I'm just blending it out, smudging out, that way it's not, you know, just there. And I'm about to add my favorite mascara, guys. This Essence mascara is so bomb. If you're looking for an affordable mascara, this right here is so bomb. Like, I would recommend this. I mean, I would compare this to probably like the better than Sex mascara or a Cosmetics. But I'm actually done. Now I'm just playing with lashes. The ones I'm going to get ready to put on. Too big. They were cute, but too big. This is my flawless everyday makeup routine. You can wear this any day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, not Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And you can wear this really anywhere. You can wear this to Whole Foods, Trader Joe's. You can wear this to see your man. You can wear this to your woman. You can wear this to on a date, add a little red lip and keep it moving. You can really wear this anywhere, okay? So yeah, I hope you guys like it. I love you guys so much.